Hey YouTube, today I'm making makeovers. See if anyone wants one. So yeah, let's go and ask some people. Let's ask this girl. She's actually, she is online. So yeah, want to makeover for YouTube. Alright, let's just go on here. Quick so that everyone can see I'm recording. Want a makeover for YouTube. So hopefully she answers that. While she does that, I'm going to ask another girl. So let's I really want to do a boy, but let's ask this one. Okay, so I want to makeover for YouTube. Oh, what? Someone said hi. I'm reckoning. Yeah, YouTube. I'm gonna ask if she wants a makeover. Want a makeover for YouTube. Okay, so who's the other person which said hi? Let's go truck. Okay, I think she said hi. Yeah. Let's just delete these guys here. Want some makeover for YouTube? There we go. Oh, there we go. Guys, on my last video, this girl was really rude. I don't know why. So I have to use it. KX. Let's go on her, because she's online, and I know she is. I can. Can I do it on a noob account? I guess you could, yeah. Yeah. I mean, there's no point, but I don't hack, guys. But want to make it for YouTube? No thanks. I'm trying to give away this account, but whoever wants it needs to give me my main agree. That's no problem. That's the problem. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, no one wants makeovers. So guys, if you're wondering, I don't hack, and you're gonna get proof today, so let's ask Lucy Green. I think that's her name. Okay, hold on, let me make one. Look guys, I'm gonna prove that I don't hack. Okay, so one makeover X. I'm recorder. So yeah guys, I don't scam or hack. If you want to trade, that's fine with me. And my other account is Ruby G Mason. Actually, I might log on to her on my iPad right now. So let's just quickly log on. Okay, she's about to go online. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, there we go. She's logging on now. Let's ask. Oh, this is one of my. Wrong person. This is one of my best friends. Okay, so let's say that's her over. Here is my other account. So let's. Okay, so hi. One America. I'm recording X. Usually I put X on the end of my messages, but yeah, guys, I'm doing a mail time on my mum's account, which is, you know what, I forgot. Her account is Mama Mason 67. So please go gift her for mail time. Yeah, let's do this. I feel like, sorry, you cannot be friends. Oh, that's sad. Wow. Okay, so yes, my mum's gonna be doing the mail time with me, with my other videos, and yeah, you can join in. So this is my character here. Okay? No, sorry, I love my sharks. I won't take them. That'd be a bit rude if I did, don't you think, guys? Hold on, let me make one. Let's say, have you made one yet? Because I'm getting really bored. Have you made one? Yeah. X. 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 That's it. X. Okay, there we go. It's every day. Yes, it is. I like that. Sorry about the noise. It's from the other room, and my brother's listening to the TV. So this girl is making one, so I can give her a makeover. I should have warned her that I only have a few minutes time. Even one. Okay, so she looks nice, but yeah, let's go tell everyone I'm recording. I mean, why not? You know? Let's go to the skate park, guys. That's where most people go. Maybe like I don't like it when people call them noobs. So maybe the new people would like makeovers as well. Look, see this? I think these guys are new here. So okay, so I'm going to say, oh, this girl has rares. Maybe I could trade with her, guys. Yes, okay, I'm not going to, if I go on her account, I won't steal her stuff, but that's just me. Okay, I hate it when people do that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hi, RT. I don't think I have any more rares. Hey, I saw your video and I liked it. Oh my goodness, thank you. Shout out to her. And also, she has told me that she is doing a giveaway. And, well, I think it was a giveaway. And she wants you to buy her wish list. So, go buy her wish list and subscribe to her channel. I'll ask what her channel is. What's, your, oh my goodness, what is wrong with my spelling? Your channel on BC, I'm recording. So yeah. So what I want you guys to do is go sub to her because she is being really nice to me and supporting me. She is one of the nicest people I've ever met. So go subscribe to her channel. It's Gamer Gixel Games. So yeah. Hey, I'm recording Sing Gifts for Mail Time. That's actually what I'm doing. I'm doing mail time. Oh no, the battery's running low. We'll have to speed up. Let's go. I am recording. Cool. Gift for gift? Question. That's weird, isn't it? Right, I've got to see if I have any gifts. Real quick. That's my best friend, actually, so. Let's see. Do I have any gifts? Or am I just not cool and I don't? Okay. Any gifts? Please don't believe gifts. Trade system. Okay, I know how to do that. I mean, of course I know how to do that. He wants to be friends with me? Oh, I'm so loved. Okay, let's go on her, okay? What? Come on, what? This takes forever. I have a few minutes left. Yep, Jelly-o. Oh no, I need to trade with her real quick, so let's do that. To prove that I don't scam people. Oh, and guys, subscribe and comment some video ideas because I'm literally running out. So, yes. Oh my goodness. I feel like someone sent me a message. I know, just don't want a makeover. XD. That's not really funny, but okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is bad. I'm gonna give her some socks here. This is bad. Oh my goodness. I need to talk to her real quick, guys. Okay, Do you mind changing? Oh my god, that's not his brush engine. The PBCEG just saw it. Lol. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I'm gonna do part 2 of this, so that's the end of the video. Bye. Let me just